The one thing that's missing from my life these days is friends to do stuff with outside of work, in person, in real life. I got lots of friends on Facebook, but I got nobody that I spend time with outside of work. I'm trying to develop some friendships, but it's going very slowly because I live far away from the village. But when I'm in a place like this, out by the ocean, where I can hear the waves, feel the wind, watch the birds, occasionally see whales blowing in the distance, and look at these mountains across the water. When I'm in these places, I don't really feel lonely most of the time. I don't know, just feel alive, I guess. I live through my senses, especially my vision. I'm screwed if I ever go blind. But I could sit out here for hours. Except that I have to go back to work. I love my job. Gives me chances to do this for money.